Holland Village, an expatriate social enclave within an upmarket residential estate. A cradle of European influences, lifestyle living, and local charms. A home within this neighborhood is always in huge demand. Hi everyone, this is Diana from the Property Runway. Right now, we have for you a rare gem of a home in the heart of Holland Village, Holland Residences. Walking through the main gate or side gate brings you straight to an array of cafes and shops, as well as the MRT station. Convenience all within a 5-minute stroll. A variety of plants paint the environment with lush peacefulness. There are 2 pools here, catering to an exclusive 83 residential units in this 6,855 square meters compound. Today, we have for you a classy 2-bedrooms apartment for sale. As you enter the front door and step onto the posh marble flooring, feel right at home in this serene and cozy haven. With lofty ceilings at 3.2 meters, ducted aircons enhance the whole spirit of spaciousness. Here, the David Trowbridge coral bamboo pendant light boldly stands out, creating its own statement over your living area. Use the space for your bar table, as a dining space, or even to showcase your favorite collectibles. Next to the living area sits the alfresco dining area. This space overlooks the pool, embracing the tropical greens of our island. Just beyond the living area, a strip of high and low cabinets form a cozy wet kitchen for your culinary needs. Fitted with Miele brand appliances, kept in top condition, you are promised quality the moment you step into this home. Not to mention, there's a functional laundry area for all your laundry needs. The bedrooms are lovingly tucked away in this corner. The master bedroom comes with ample space for a king-size bed and abundance of wardrobe spaces, all flush to the walls for a contemporary clean look. Escape from the daily humdrum of life as you enjoy a quiet moment to yourself in your very own private balcony. A modern full-glass bathroom unfolds before you, fitted with the eye-catching Bandini bath accessories. The common bedroom is just across the corridor. Similarly, with flushed 4-door wardrobes, creating the perfect bedroom or study room, attached with your own outdoor gym area. All balconies can be enclosed by zip track, enabling you to maximize your indoor space with the flexibility of having plenty of outdoor spaces. Like to make this lovely abode your very own? Call the Property Runway today for an exclusive viewing. See you soon! Thank you for watching Property Runway. For more information, feel free to give us a call, click any of the links below, or check out more of our YouTube videos here.